The reason why I left my city and home was not that I am going to UET Lahore, but it was to enhance my learning, knowledge and gaining experience. And my that aim became true when I joined the Computer Science Department of UET Lahore on 14th November 2021. Here I was taught by some of the best faculty in Pakistan. On the very first programming day, when I write the program to print out "Hello World" on the console, I felt a strange happiness across me. After that, we keep on developing various programs and we developed the university admission management system. And then we get the individual project assignment in which I choose to develop the car rental management system. This system is developed for the user and admin to book, update, add and delete a car and view all records and many other things. And after that we get into web development. We learn only the basics of HTML and CSS, and I made a fully responsive website. After that we started game development. We developed tic-tac-toe, black hole and Pac-Man, and then we choose our individual project game assignment and I choose to develop Super Mario game. We also make a matrix calculator. After that, we learn the basics concept of structures and linked lists that are considered the high-level concepts. First semester ends. In March, our second semester starts and I came up with a lot of expectations and energy to overcome the challenges of second semester. In the second semester, we started learning object-oriented programming using C#. Before mids, we completed 6 scenarios to practice the basic pillars of object-oriented programming, like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, or interface. After mids, we started desktop application development using Visual Studio Community 2019 WinForms. I started converting my car rental system that I chose in first semester in graphical user interface. It was also not an easy task, but with the grace of Allah Almighty and with the support of my teachers and classmates, I succeeded in doing this task. In this system, customer can book or cancel its bookings and employee can add, update, delete, search the customer data or cards data. After that, we started game development. Developed the space shooter, and then in individual projects assignment I developed the Flappy Bird. The goal of this game is to protect yourself from the pipes and enemies and collect the coins to win the game. And here our object-oriented programming ends. And then we started Python. We also converted our previous projects into Python using classes and objects. This was my first year in UET. I created a lot of wonderful memories and have great experiences and learned a lot of things. I hope you like my video. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe.